and the levels we are looking out for is above 700 we can look for buying, and our target will be 7. Hello traders, welcome back. Another day of profit booking in Nifty followed by some recovery towards the end of the day, right? And now let's have a quick look at our watch list and how the stocks performed. Wipro, it was in our watch list, giving a breakout towards the sell side and our targets are achieved. Then Ramco Cement, again giving a breakout towards the sell side and our targets are achieved. Then HDFC Life Insurance, it giving a breakout towards the upper side in the morning and the target is achieved. And towards the end of the day, again giving another opportunity, giving a breakout towards the sell side and that too hitting the target. And then Cholamandalam, which was the best pick of the day, giving a breakout towards the buy side and all the targets are achieved. Then Godrej Agrovet and India Cement, both stocks, the trades are not active yet, the levels are not active yet. So we can check out for this stocks for tomorrow as well. Then LT giving a breakout towards the sell side and then coming close to our target from the bouncing back, and the same thing with TVS Motors, both hitting the SL. Okay, so that was about today, and now let's move to the best breakout stocks for tomorrow. Yeah, the first stock in the list is Mahindra and Mahindra. For the last 1 week, the stock was in a downtrend and now it's near to a support and it is forming a triangle pattern. So we can expect a breakout or a breakdown from this pattern, and the levels we are looking out for is above 905 we can look for buying with a target of 915 followed by 923, and our SL will be 900. And if it's giving a breakout towards the sell side below 894 we can look for selling with a target of 884 followed by 879, and towards the sell side our SL will be 898. Okay, so that's about Mahindra and Mahindra. So look out for this triangle pattern. With a good breakout we can look for the corresponding opportunities. The next stock is Wipro, again another triangle pattern, and the levels we are watching out for is above 700 we can look for buying, and our targets will be, first target is 707 followed by 718, and towards the buy side our SL will be 694, and if it's giving a breakout towards the sell side, if it's breaking down, then below 688 we can look for selling opportunities, and our first target is 674 followed by 664, and the SL will be 693. So above 700 we can look for buying and below 688 we can look for selling. So that's about Wipro. And the next stock is Bharti Airtel. Yes, another good triangle pattern, and for the last 2 days the stock was really consolidating, so we can expect a breakout from this triangle pattern, and the levels we are looking out for is above 700 we can look for buying, and our target will be 709 with an SL 694, and if the stock is giving a breakdown towards the lower side below 690 we can look for selling with a target of 684 followed by 678, and our SL will be 693. So that's about Wipro. Above 700 we can look for buying and below 690 we can look for selling. And the next stock is Tech Mahindra, Techcom, again another triangle pattern. The stock was close to a support line, a support trend line, and for the last 2 days the stock was consolidating, so we can look for the range above 1530 we can look for buying, and our first target will be 1541 followed by 1555, and our SL will be 1522. Okay, so that's about buy side, and if the stock is giving a breakdown towards the lower side below 1508 we can look for selling, and our first target will be 1484 followed by 1475, and the SL will be 1518 1518. Okay, so look out for the range 1530 to 1508. Okay, so that's about Techcom. Above 1530 we can look for buying and below 1508 we can look for selling. Okay, the next stock is Godrej Agrovet. It was consolidating for the last 2 days and not giving a breakout from our levels. we also mentioned the same stock yesterday, and the levels we are looking out for is above 630 we can look for buying, and our first target 635 followed by 640, and our SL will be 627. And if it's giving a breakdown towards the sell side, then below 622 we can look for selling opportunities, and our first target is 618. After that we can trail our SL, and towards the sell side our stop loss will be 624. Okay, the stock was consolidating for the day, so definitely we can expect a breakout in the coming sessions. And the levels are above 630 we can look for buying, and below 622 we can look for selling. Okay, so that's about Godrej Agrovet. And the next stock is MFSL, Max Financial Services Limited. Again another triangle pattern. And for the last couple of trading sessions, the stock was consolidating in a range, and the range we are looking out for is above 986 we can look for buying, and our first target will be 994 followed by 1002, and our SL will be 981. And towards the sell side, if it's falling below 977 we can look for selling with the target 968 followed by 960, and our SL will be 981. Okay, so that's about MFSL. The range is between 986 to 977. Okay, so seeing a breakout from this range we can look for the corresponding opportunities. And the next stock in our list is Bharat Forge. Again another triangle pattern, and as we can see for the last couple of trading sessions the stock was really consolidating, so we can expect a breakout, and the levels we are looking out for is above 785 we can look for buying, and our first target will be 795 followed by 803 with an SL 779. Okay, so that's about buy side, and if it's falling then below 770 we can look for selling. Our first target will be 762 followed by 755, and our SL will be 774. Okay, so that's about Bharat Forge. Okay, so the range is 785 to 770. Okay, breaking the range we can look for corresponding opportunities. And the last stock in our list is India Cements. Again we mentioned the same stock yesterday. The stock is consolidating, not giving a breakout from these levels, and the levels we are looking out for is above 207 we can look for buying, and our first target will be 209.5 followed by 212, and our SL will be 205. Okay, and if it's giving a breakdown towards the sell side, if it's falling then below 201 we can look for selling with a target 199 followed by 197.5, and our SL will be 203. Okay, so that's about India Cement. Again the range is from 201 to 207. Okay, above 207 we can look for buying, and below 201 we can look for selling. Okay, so that's all about today's video, and if you are finding these charts helpful, support us by subscribing to our channel. Also please like, comment and share the video. So that's all. Thank you.